Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 super simple pasta recipes that take around 30 minutes to make. So these are relatively budget-friendly recipes as they use a lot of overlapping ingredients, so you can always purchase them together in bulk. But not to worry, they all taste different enough that if you're meal prepping them for the week, you won't get bored. So all 3 of these recipes use shredded chicken as that's what I had on hand, but you're more than welcome to substitute with whatever protein source you prefer. Same goes for the pasta. It's just what I have in my pantry and you're welcome to use whatever type of pasta you'd like. So today we'll be making a hummus chicken pasta, a sun-dried tomato pasta, and a super simple tomato pasta that uses canned tomatoes. So let's get started. The hummus chicken pasta, I start by cooking 8 to 10 ounces of fettuccine according to the instructions on the package. While that's happening, I'm adding in 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot on medium heat. Then add in 1 onion that's been sliced, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 cups of spinach, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll be using the juice and zest of 1 lemon to deglaze the pot. Then add in 1 cup of hummus and then half a cup of pasta water. Mix until the hummus turns into a sauce. Then add in the cooked pasta and toss until coated before adding in 2 cups of shredded chicken. Then mix in a handful of basil. This part is optional. I like to top mine off with some red pepper chili flakes. For the sun-dried tomato pasta, we'll be doing the same with cooking 8 to 10 ounces of pasta while adding olive oil, diced onions, and garlic into a separate pot on medium heat. Then add in 85 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, that's just 1 package for me at the store, saute, and then add in 227 grams of sliced mushrooms and saute again. Add in 1 tablespoon of salt and then continue to stir before deglazing the pan with the juice of 1 lemon and its zest. Add in half a cup of pasta water and a splash of half and half or heavy cream. Stir to combine. Then add in your cooked pasta and toss to coat with the sauce, and then add in 2 cups of shredded chicken and a handful of basil. Mix until everything is combined. And for the last pasta, again we'll be cooking 8 to 10 ounces of pasta on the stove, and at the same time in a different pot, we'll be adding in olive oil, diced onions, and garlic on medium heat. Then add in 227 grams of sliced mushrooms and 1 teaspoon of salt and continue to saute. Add in up to half a cup of pasta water to deglaze the pot before adding in a can of diced tomatoes. Let simmer for a couple of minutes before adding in 4 cups of spinach and then the cooked pasta. You can also add in some parmesan if you want the sauce to be thicker. And finally, add in 2 cups of shredded chicken and a handful of basil and mix until everything is combined. And there you have it, 3 super simple pasta recipes that take around 30 minutes to make. I'd love to hear which of the 3 is your favorite. And as a reminder, if you're looking for the printable versions of the recipes, you can find everything linked down below in the description box. And if you found this video to be helpful, I really would appreciate it if you clicked on the like button and subscribe for more new videos weekly. Until next time, bye!